To clean a charging port on your iPhone, first you will need to get something very thin. For example, a needle would be perfect, but it's not recommended to use anything metal. And if you use metal, it's on your own risk. In this case, I'm gonna go with the metal. It should work fine. So now we need to take a look on our charging port, and let me zoom in so you can see it. Now carefully take your needle and try to poke it out. Any dust should be removed that way. And here we have it. I just removed and cleaned my charging port. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.